This is your boy Lascelle, aka Girly, aka Mr. Handsome, and I'm here endorsing Richie Kitchen.
Straight.
And it's all about back in the days, roast breadfruit pan wood fire, roast yam, and all about the ackee and sawfish, rundown curry goat and them thing, the pan wood fire.
Yeah.
You carry banana pan head, you carry hood pan head, you carry pool pan head. So it's all about indoors. Richie Kitchen. Subscribe to the YouTube channel now.
In Trelawney.
You're right here in Trelawney with the Duncans right now.
Yeah.
Best food.
Yeah,
you
man.
can't eat good food by a regular stove.
Alright,
no
sir.
gas stove, no personal stove.
Let them
If
know.
on a wood fire,
You can't get the
no
flavor.
Richie Kitchen.
Yeah, man. Straight
Flavor?
up.
Yeah, look good. Over and out.
Yeah, man. Over and out. Yeah, man. So there you have it. You don't know another star in the place again. So you don't know people want to subscribe to the thing. Because we are go all out to make you see what I go on. All the tourists back home. So I say, you don't know what I go on. So you don't know. You come on and see what I go on again. Yeah, big up on yourself. Yo, best people, you don't know when you're on the birthday thing, you know? Start out some sea cat on the beach side. Yeah, man, we're virgin birthday, so I set up some sea cat. We beat them out. So we have a whole thing on the menu, so you don't know. We have to do what we have to do. So we have conch over here, so. Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah, man, look come where I come. Yeah, so we still have beat up it. You see the cat, you know? See it there? See the cat. Yeah, man. You're good, man, and check out this man, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Big up. This is October month where the one done. Only done. Having birthday. I celebrate.
Yeah,
you can look on the pot them and the food. Show me the food them, man.
Show me food.
Chicken.
Oh, yeah, tell me soup there.
Pear there, sir. We have some fried fish with no escabeche yet, but alright. We have over here, so we have pork over here, sir.
Yeah, real pork. Stew pork, man.
Stew pork, yeah, man. Bad stew pork.
Yeah.
What there, sir? What there, sir?
This soup here.
Curry goat.
Alright. See rice pot, eh?
Yeah, man. This is a big bad rice. You can't see by rice. Just a little preview of the rice. And then see bad
Nice
soup, yeah.
conch soup and
See cat.
So I say, you're a birthday, brother?
Yeah.
Yes, man. You know, it's a blessing for the 10th.
Probably sleeping.
Easy. In our best plan. Can't tell me nothing. Yeah,
People, see what I say? Yeah, man, a rich thing, man. So you don't know. Yeah, man. You don't know all I'm bridging, lifeguard bridging. Yeah, man, I walk here, so. And you don't know, straight to YouTube, we gone. See them just a roll in there. Yeah, man. So, yeah, brother, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there. Yeah, man, roll. Yeah, man, so we're going to show you some of the tours in town. You can see. Yeah, man, leave right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you say, man, for the place, so. Man, tell you what I go on. You see me, I say. So, Leroy, tell you what I go on.
Yeah, man, we play like live band on Saturday night, every Saturday night. in this season, tourist season, but you know I go now.
Yeah.
We have to just hold it back. And we still go and play look the music, keep it live still.
Yeah.
Every time.
For real, every time.
Respect.
Big up, player.
Respect, wow.
Yeah, man.